Let's quickly remove our Oracle Linux boot image from our virtual drive. If you already see that your virtual drive is empty, you can skip this step. Now let's start our Oracle Server virtual machine and wait till the system is boot. During Oracle Linux installation, we created password for root user. Let's try to log in with these credentials. Perfect. Let's check an IP address assigned to the server. For our further operation on the server, it will be more convenient to use PuTTY or any other SSH client. To connect to the server, you have to provide an IP address, user login, and password. It is a good practice to update all the presently installed packages to their latest versions. We can do it with yum update command. After the update, let's restart our server. You can see that we have to reestablish our connection. We can complete most pre-installation configuration tasks required before Oracle Database installation by using the Oracle Pre-installation RPM. Let's do it with a new Oracle Linux package management utility that is called DNF. Oracle Pre-installation RPM automatically downloads and installs any additional RPM packages needed for installing Oracle Grid infrastructure and Oracle Database, and resolves any dependencies. It creates an Oracle user and groups for that user, such groups as DBA and OInstall. It also sets system startup parameters and driver parameters to values based on recommendation from the Oracle Pre-installation RPM program, as well hard and soft resource limits, and other recommended parameters depending on your kernel version. In Linux, you can use the sysctl command to view the current kernel settings. I saved the output of this command to a file before and after Oracle Pre-installation RPM was installed. By comparing these two files, we can check what kernel settings was changed by Oracle Pre-installation RPM. To download Oracle Database software, we will go to Oracle Software Delivery Cloud. In the search field, we will type Oracle Database. Select Oracle Database 19.3 long-term release and press Continue button. Here we will choose only Oracle Database long-term release and Oracle Database client files. Specify required platform version. You have to accept Oracle license agreement and press Continue button. Here we will download executable file that will perform download itself later. After running this file, Oracle Download Manager is started. You have to specify the place where you want your Oracle Database software to be saved. It will take some time to download files. Now, let's copy downloaded files from Windows machine to Linux server. Open Windows Command Prompt Terminal and use scp command with specifying the path to downloaded files on Windows machine and user IP address and folder on destination Linux server machine. Login to Oracle Database Server as a root user. We have to create a directory for Oracle Database Home. Change permissions for U01 folder to be owned by Oracle user and or install Oracle group. Next, we have to move our Oracle Database Software Archive file to Oracle Database Home directory. Let's change directory to Oracle Database Home and login as an Oracle user. Now we can unzip the content of the downloaded archive. And because we are doing this under Oracle user, all files will be owned by Oracle user. Silent mode installation allows you to configure necessary Oracle components without using graphical interface. And response file is used to provide all the required information for the installation, so no additional user input is required. It is a good practice to create a copy of configuration file before modifying it. So let's create a copy of response file, and now we are ready to update it. For the Oracle install option, specify install-db and config. This will install and configure our database. Unix group name should be oinstall. For the inventory location, specify the Oracle inventory directory that stores an inventory of all software installed on the system. It is required and shared by all the Oracle software installation on a single system. For the Oracle Home, the directory that we created before unzipping Oracle Database Software Archive should be specified. Oracle Base is the home directory for the Oracle software. Oracle install-db install edition should be Enterprise Edition. Oracle allows you to separate access permissions between different persons or teams. But as we are going to do all work by ourselves, we will specify only oinstall group for all the group setting options. Set to false, execute root script option. We will run scripts manually after installation. We are going to install general purpose database that is optimized for transaction-heavy applications. set up global database name. The system identifier, or SID, uniquely distinguishes the instance from any other instance on the same computer. Configure as container database should be set to true and provide any PDB name. Character set, enable automatic memory management, and specify the memory limit. Also, let's load some example schemas to our database. And now we need to specify passwords. We will use default management option. Enable recovery should be set to true. For the learning purposes, we will use the file system storage option. But for production databases, I recommend to use ISM that provides mirroring possibilities and has better performance. We need to set up the location for the database and recovery files. And this was the last configuration step. Response file is configured. As an Oracle user, execute run installer command with prerequisite check option, silent option, and response file option. For response file option, specify db install rsp file we prepared on the previous step. You should see prerequisite checks executed successfully, but it looks like Oracle Linux 8 operating system was not added to supported releases in Oracle database software, and prerequisite check doesn't return this message now. It should be fixed in future releases. Anyway, we can still install Oracle database. We will use Oracle Universal Installer to install Oracle software. Execute run installer command with silent and response file option. Oracle RDBMS 19c is now certified on Oracle Linux 8 operating system. Unfortunately, the Oracle Universal Installer in silent mode fails when checking the OS version. To work around the problem, set the following operating system parameter in your terminal to a previous version and restart the Oracle Universal Installer. Our installation attempt fails again, this time because I forgot to set up mandatory parameter in response file. Let's quickly fix the problem and repeat our installation attempt again. We have fixed the problem in db install rsp response file, and now we can try to install Oracle software once again. The following warning can be ignored. We have performed several attempts to install Oracle software, and Oracle inventory directory is not empty, it is expected. This time, our Oracle software installation attempt was successful. As a post-installation instructions, we have to run two scripts as a root user. And as an Oracle user, we have to run additional run installer command to complete configuration. Let's do this. The following command will create and configure our Oracle database. Let's create another session to our Oracle server to monitor the progress of this operation. This is the last step in Oracle database installation and configuration task. It will take some time to finish. You can have a 30 minutes break for coffee until this operation is finished. After some time, you can see the message that Oracle database software has been successfully configured. Let's close our terminal with logs and try to log into Oracle database. The login is successful. Good job! You have installed Oracle database in silent mode.